82% of people are likely to follow a micro-influencer's recommendation, which proves you don't need a huge mega audience to make hundreds of dollars a day on YouTube. But in the first 8 months of her YouTube channel, she had 2,500 subscribers and 85,000 views on her channel. So they paid her almost $4,000 to create a video promoting their curriculum to her audience. Hey there, welcome to the channel, and in this video we're going to go over how to make $100 per day on YouTube even with a small channel. Now the key thing or the key tip to this whole video is we want to start stacking our YouTube income streams immediately. And whether you're a small channel, medium channel, big channel, this is the whole key to making $100 per day on YouTube and beyond that. And that is how I've been able to generate all these different types of income streams just from my YouTube channel alone. To be exact, I have 8 income streams from this channel. You can see a couple of snapshots here, and even with the small channel, you can duplicate these same income streams and, can you believe it, even create more. So stay tuned to the end of this video because I guarantee you're going to be very motivated to continue building your small channel or even create a brand new YouTube channel. Because if you have a small YouTube channel, that means you are considered a micro influencer, right? And actually being a micro influencer nowadays is very, very, very powerful. There's this whole like micro influencer revolution, and I'm gonna read from my notes why it is super important now in 2019 as we go into 2020 and beyond. And it is because 82% of people are likely to follow a micro influencer's recommendation, which proves you don't need a huge mega audience to make hundreds of dollars a day on YouTube. You can do it with a small niche specific audience. All right, so with that being said, let's get into the ways you can make $100 per day on YouTube with a small channel. Okay, so the first tip I have for you guys to making $100 per day on YouTube with a small channel is to embrace it. Now you might be thinking, what the hell, Marissa? What does that even mean? Well, first of all, acknowledge the fact and be proud of the fact that you have a small channel, because during your first 100 subscribers, 500, 1,000, and 10,000 subscribers, those are your most dedicated fans, subscribers. Those are the people that are going to follow you on all your social medias, and those are the people that are going to buy from you, whether you're offering affiliate products, your own products, different types of merchandise online, whatever it is. And so the other cool thing about embracing your small channel is you can really figure out a way to serve an underutilized niche on YouTube. There's so many, micro niches on YouTube that are not being used or no one has made a channel about yet. So let's say you're a lawyer and you're a contract lawyer and there's no channels about contract lawyers. You can dominate that niche and kill it, crush it, have an audience all to yourself. I've done a little bit of research into this niche just because I've helped a previous client, but I mean something like an immigration lawyer, there's no immigration lawyers out on YouTube. So the point is, again, another example, let's say you're a chef and your expertise is meal prepping for athletes. You could attack that in several different ways. Your channel could be about, meal prepping and how to build a meal prepping business, because that business itself is growing, and so other businesses are looking on tips and tricks on Google and YouTube on how to build a meal prepping business. All right, the second tip I have for you guys on monetizing YouTube and making $100 a day with a small channel is with coaching. Now, the first type of coaching is one-on-one coaching. This is very powerful, and this is a great way to monetize your channel when you're first getting started and getting your first 100 subscribers. Because let me give you an example. When I was learning my video editing software called Final Cut Pro, it was super hard for me to learn it. I was going from iMovie to Final Cut Pro, but I found a YouTube channel that taught all about Final Cut Pro, and they were super useful, but I still wanted extra help. And guess what? In the link in that person's bio, they said, book your personal coaching session to learn more about Final Cut Pro. So guess what I did? I paid $150 for an hour worth of coaching on this video editing software. And then that same person, I bought another hour worth of YouTube coaching consulting because I wanted help to grow my own YouTube channel. So right there, that person monetized their channel from, me buying their personal products and one-on-one coaching services. So let's say you're a music production channel and you're showing people how to make beats, and there's up and coming producers who want to get better at this skill set. How do you do it? You teach people, the things you know about music production on your channel with different videos. And the key is in the description. put in the description like, hey, if you want additional help, or if you're wanting to improve your skills, I offer one-on-one coaching, shoot me an email here if you don't have a sales funnel. Or you can say, sign up for a consultation call here, free 20-minute call, or whatever, however you want to do it. The key is to put that call to action in the descriptions of your YouTube videos. So the next subcategory of coaching is group coaching, and this is something I actually am doing right now. It's a way for like you as the entrepreneur to get paid more, and it's a way to serve more people, more students, because what you do is you take a group of students and you charge an amount anywhere from $1,000 a month, maybe to $5,000 a month. Yes, it is a little bit more high ticket price. And what you would do is you would take these students through maybe a 6-week, an 8-week, or a 6-month program, and you would have a membership for them or a curriculum that they would all take, because you don't want to teach each student something over and over and over. So that's why you want to develop a curriculum where every single student can take it and learn the basics that everyone needs to know. And then you gather everyone, let's say once a week, in a virtual group meeting. You could use Skype, you could use Zoom, you could use Facebook Live, and teach them the curriculum that they went over in your membership or in your curriculum. And that's why it's so great, because the students get their questions answered and they could learn from each other. It's a community where, we ask questions and everyone learns and grows from each other. And by the way, if you're interested in learning more about how to build a wildly profitable YouTube channel where I go way more in depth, download my Subscribers to Sales Blueprint. It's in the first link in the description below this video. So the next tip I have, tip number 3 to making $100 per day or more on YouTube with a small channel, is with affiliate marketing. So let's go to this video to learn more about it.
Now, in this past year, I've crossed 6 figures alone just with affiliate marketing and marketing other people's products. So I would basically bridge the gap between the customer who wants it and the company who's selling it, and I would receive the commission for that product that I sold. And the great part about affiliate marketing is it's very, very low cost, and most of the time it's free to get started. You don't have to worry about fulfillment, customer service, nothing. You just kind of hand off the sale to the owner and they take care of everything. And so if you check out 2 of the affiliate marketing products that I promoted last year, one of them I was able to profit over $30,000. And this was a course that I was promoting, and it was higher ticket, which brings me to a great point that I wanted to make for you guys, is when you think of YouTube as strictly a source of traffic, everything changes, because when you realize that it's traffic that you're sending to different products, your job is going to become a whole lot easier. Because for a long time I was promoting products that only gave me a commission of $30, $40, $20, maybe if I got lucky $50. But once I switched to driving my traffic to a product that gave me $1,000 commissions, my whole online business changed. Because essentially all offers generally in this market convert between 1% and 2%, no matter if it's low ticket or high ticket. So once I realized that, I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and drive my traffic to a product that's going to give me way more commissions. And it worked. It was converting actually higher than 2%. And I was like, wow, this is incredible. So don't be afraid when you're doing affiliate marketing or even for your own products to drive traffic to a product that is going to bring you more commissions, more sales, more money, and it is at a high ticket price point. So another great idea for an affiliate marketing product is promoting some type of business tool that has a recurring commission. The reason why these are so great is because when you have a commission that's recurring, it's very, very, very predictable, and you'll be able to know like, hey, I'm gonna receive, $1,000, $800, $2,000, whatever it is, from promoting this tool every single month. And so this is exactly what I did with this product and this business tool that I promoted. I was not only able to use the tool, but actually make money from promoting the tool that I use. So it was a win-win for both me, my audience, and the company that received more clients and more sales.
And so the next tip I have for making $100 a day on YouTube is freelancing. Be a freelancer. If you have a skill, offer it on your YouTube channel. You'll be surprised how many people are in demand of that skill, especially if they are searching up your title of your video and they're watching your content to learn. I guarantee you would make money from offering a freelancing service. So let's say you just wanted to offer some general consulting. You can get started with a website called clarity.fm where you as the freelancer consultant can sign up on that website for free. Another website, let's say you like taking really good pictures on your iPhone or from your camera. Yes, from your phone. You can get paid as a freelancer from your phone. If you go to this website called snapwire.com, you can go and sign up as a creator and create a profile. I mean, your photos need to be aesthetically pleasing, but it's really easy nowadays to create beautiful pictures from your phone, right? So if you go to this website called snapwire.com, it's basically where they connect creators with businesses, brands, enterprises, and they would hire you to create beautiful images for their brand. And of course, if you haven't already known about Fiverr.com or Upwork.com or Freelance.com, that is a great way to start a profile where there's already traffic on the website. You can offer whatever service it is: video editing, copywriting, sales funnel building, website building, programming, the list goes on and on. You can offer your services for a cheaper price per hour, and eventually as you get more and more reviews, you can charge more and get off those sites so that those sites don't take a commission from your profits. All right, so the next tip I have for making $100 a day on YouTube is to build a list, and I talk about that in this video.
Now, why is building your list super important? Because like I said, you don't own YouTube, you don't own Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn. All of those social media platforms are not promised forever, and they could be taken down or shut down at any given moment. But you do own the list that you acquire from building and collecting emails and names, and that is really a huge asset and your warmest traffic for your online business. So what you want to do in your YouTube channel is definitely offer some type of freebie, valuable freebie and giveaway to give to your audience, and tell your audience and give them a call to action to subscribe to your channel, subscribe to your newsletter, your ebook, your mini course, your free webinar, your free training, whatever it is, in exchange for their name and email. And of course, the reason why you want to have a list of hungry buyers and people that really respect your audience is because when you're ready to promote a product, a service, offer your coaching program, maybe offer an affiliate product, whatever it is, you can just with one click of a button on your email marketing platform send out a blast email to your email subscribers, and that is how you make money over and over and over, and that is how you have people that buy from you, and you will have those specific buyers in your list that'll buy from you for a lifetime.
Okay, so the next way to make $100 per day on YouTube is with merchandise. So the first thing is, once you hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, you are qualified to sell merchandise straight from your channel. The little merchandise images from Teespring that you connect to your YouTube channel will show up and pop up right below your video. But if you have, let's say, an online store like a Shopify store or another store where you have print-on-demand products, you can sell physical products straight from your YouTube channel. So you would put your store link or your online store in the description and have the call to action during your videos like, hey, if you're interested in our customized journal that has X, Y, and Z pages, and it's an organizer and a planner, check it out in the description. You could do, again, print on demand mugs, shirts, logos on coffee cups, all kinds of cool things. And the other cool thing about selling your own merchandise that's kind of exploding right now is gift boxes. So if you know about Ty Lopez, he has this month-by-month subscription box called Mentor Box. I forget what's included in there, but he has different worksheets on personal development, books he recommends, and just different cool things that are included in the membership box. And there's another company that's actually in the fitness niche in the CrossFit industry called Gains Box, where if you sign up for their monthly subscription, you get a box in the mail that has protein samples, pre-workout, different things to stretch with, and all kinds of cool different products to test out. So these membership boxes and gift boxes are super popular, and you could easily sell them from your YouTube channel. And a great website if you want to put your logo or any type of design on a product is merch.amazon.com. That is a great one where you would just upload the design and Amazon handles the rest and they send it out to your customers. All right, so the next tip to making $100 per day on YouTube is crowdfunding. Now, crowdfunding is something where your viewers, your audience, your followers donate to you and to a cause in return to get something extra, more than what you're delivering on your YouTube channel. So maybe that means extra curriculum, extra value in the form of video, extra value in the form of an audiobook. Maybe that means like live coaching or group sessions, whatever it is that you can offer extra with Patreon. That is the whole idea, because people are paying that monthly fee to get more value from you. So you must deliver and give a little bit more to your Patreon members. And it could even be, you know, merchandise or something cool, something physical that they could have every single month. So I'm curious, if you're a small channel, or if you're gonna start a brand new YouTube channel, let me know in the comments what your YouTube channel is about. I'm curious to know all the different niches. And also, if you are looking for a complete guide on how to start a YouTube channel from scratch, be sure to check out this video where I talk about exactly how to do it to start a YouTube channel from complete scratch. All right, and so the very last way to monetize YouTube and make $100 per day on your channel is with brand deals. Now, people have this misconception that you have to have, you know, a jillion followers to get brand deals and sponsorships, but that's not true. Specifically, when I think of brand deals, I think of this one case with a YouTuber named Heather Torres. She is in the homeschooling niche, right? You wouldn't even think that there was a YouTube channel on homeschooling, but she's dominating that niche, and she is a micro influencer still. But in the first 8 months of her YouTube channel, she had 2,500 subscribers and 85,000 views on her channel, and that was enough to get her a brand deal with a curriculum company who not only gave her the curriculum for free, which was worth like over $1,100, but also they paid her almost $4,000 to create a video promoting their curriculum to her audience. So that's proof that the power of a micro influencer or a micro channel or a small channel, whatever you want to call it, is super duper powerful. All right, guys, I hope you got major value from this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell. And if you like this video, I'm sure you will like this video right here where I talk about, is it too late to start a YouTube channel in 2020? So check that out right now. Millions of people on YouTube wanting to watch those videos, which means traffic, which means a revenue source to your business. That, I don't know about you guys, but that gets me excited.